Hi, second grade parents. My name is Serafina Laspiza, and I will be speaking to you today about our phonics program called Project Read. Phonics focuses on decoding, encoding, and reading comprehension strategies. In Project Read, we use multisensory activities and direct instruction to present a systematic approach to phonics. Activities that we use in the classroom are kinesthetic, tactile memory, sound and symbol recognition, and sentence composition. A great way to help your son or daughter with their spelling, especially in phonics, is to reinforce the phonics rule. The teachers will introduce the phonics rule in the beginning of the week. The best way you can do it at home is to help your son or daughter by fingerspelling or echoing their sounds out loud, especially when writing a word. For example, take the word back. They would fingerspell the word back and say b-a-k, back. Then, when writing the word, they would echo their sounds out loud. B-a-k, back. I hope this video helps you. Talk to you soon.